Alright, so today we're going to do problems number 32 to 36. For all pairs of real numbers m and v, where m equals 3v plus 6, v equals, so okay, this is a simple solving for v. M equals 3v plus 6, 3v equals m minus 6, v equals m minus 6 over 3. Okay, so the answer is J. Parallelogram, one second. Parallelogram ABCD with dimensions in inches is shown in the diagram below. What is the area of the parallelogram in square inches? So an area of a parallelogram is just base times height. So what's the base? This over here, AD. What's the height? 4. So 6 plus 3 equals 9. 9 times 4 equals 36. Area equals base times height for the parallelogram. So answer is B. And let's just check to make sure that's correct. Number 33. You know, it's been a while since I've done my math. Yeah, correct. B. Now let's go to the next one. That does not look good. There we go. Let's delete all of this crap and then paste this. If a equals b plus 2, then b minus a to the power 4 equals. Okay, so this again is just a simple rearranging of an equation. We need to find what b minus a is first. A equals b plus 2. 0 equals b minus a plus 2. And then b minus a equals negative 2. That's all you, because you just put negative 2 on the other side. B minus a equals negative 2. Well, what's negative 2 to the power 4? Negative 2 to the power 4 is negative 2 times negative 2. Or this is the same thing as 2 to the power 4 because it's an even power. So 2 to the power 4 is 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 2 is 16. So this is 16. The answer is K. Okay, the next one is going to be a bit of a tricky one. And I actually got this wrong the first time I tried it. And I haven't checked the answer on that. So let's check the answer on number 35 first, and then I'll explain how we do this. 35. So for number 35, the answer is supposed to be D. How are we going to get that? Now I'm going to show you how to get that. So the answer is 8.5 blocks east and 4.5 blocks north. But let's first just copy and paste this and see what the problem is. A park has the shape and dimensions in blocks given below. A water fountain is located halfway between point B and point D. Which of the following is the location of the water fountain from point A? I will admit this seemed a very tricky problem at first, and it is. So what they're looking for is there is a point between B and D right here, let's say. Let me put that to a different color if I can. Pen settings, color, we're going to put green. There's a point about right here between B and D. They're asking us to find essentially this point's coordinates from A. So in essence, A can be considered 0, 0. It's the origin. B over here can be considered 10, 0. And what we're looking for is we're looking for, first of all, so let's just find what the coordinates of point D over here. We have to subtract 3 from 12 to get its y coordinate, and we have to subtract 7 from 10 to get its x coordinate. The x coordinate is 10 minus 7, which is 3. Or in this case, 7, because we're 7 to the right. And then 12 minus 3 over here gives us, you can tell that I haven't really had my breakfast. 12 minus 3 over here gives us 9. So the y coordinate is 9. So what we have to do is we have to find the midpoint. And how do we do that? We use the midpoint formula. 7 plus 10 over 2 is the x coordinate. And then 9 plus 0 over 2 is the y coordinate. And this will give us 17 over 2. Nine over 2, which is equivalent to, which equals 8.5 4.5. Okay, so what we did essentially over here, we put A as the origin, or 0, 0, and then we found B because it's 10 east of A. It's 10. Its coordinates are 10, 0. We found the coordinates of D by subtracting 3 from 12. We got the y coordinate 9, and we got 7 as the x coordinate because D is 7 east of A. And then so using the coordinates 7, 9, and 10, 0, we found the midpoint, which is located halfway between point B and D. And after finding that midpoint, 8.5 to 4.5, we're essentially done because our other point is 0, 0, and the distance between 8.5, 4.5 from 0, 0, it's 8.5 east and 4.5 blocks north. There we go. Okay, I said till 36, but apparently the one page was from 32 to 35. So yeah, we'll go on to 36 next time. Thank you. Bye.